Hi everybody, this is Sir Pierre, back another day with another unboxing, and this is gonna be a quick one because I already have one box open, but I got a lot of questions and comments on Instagram, so I thought I was going to show you how it works with the Dom Pérignon Luminous bottles. And I bought 7 of them. 3 of them is going to my friend, and 4 of them is for myself. And the cool thing about these, you can buy these for like several years. 2002, 2006, 8, and 9. And the hardest one to find is 2008. And people think that this is just a glow-in-the-dark sticker, the ones that you put on UV light and they will shine, or out in the sun and then in the dark and they will shine. But this is a bit more advanced than that. We have this electronics under here and it glows for, I don't know, but days, I think. No, maybe not days, 3 hours, but that's just long enough. So here's the instruction for how you change the battery. And yes, it's waterproof, so you can still have it in your ice bucket. No problem at all with that. And people sell these empty bottles without the champagne for like 100 euro. I think they're super cool. I'm gonna have one for my birthday, that is today. New Year, Christmas, whatever. I already have those 4 bottles planned. So this is how it works. It's not a glow-in-the-dark sticker. It's battery-powered label. And it lasts for 3 hours. Then you just change the batteries. It's 2 AAA batteries. So I hope you liked the video. And since it's my birthday, please help me get to those 1,000 subscribers. I'm at 945, I think. So I hope you liked the video. I'm probably gonna do a blog post about the bottles that I bought. I bought a couple of different bottles. So check that out if you're interested. Thank you. Bye. Alright, so you saw in the video that you maybe not see just how bright it lights. So I'm gonna turn down the lights here. And you see that it really glows. I see on the video that you can't really see how much it glows, but it really does. So when you put it in a clear ice bucket, the whole water and the whole ice is gonna glow green. I think this is super cool. Absolutely worth. I think the prices, I don't know, they're not so much more. If you take like a 2009, they are not so much more expensive than your ordinary Dom Pérignon. But the 2008 is expensive and better. But used for the show, you can buy any year you want. And the rose champagne bottles glow with the pink instead. I think it's super cool. I hope you can see it in a video.